Good morning, children. How are you? Okay. Now here lesson 2, numbers up to 100. Previous learned that topic, greater and smaller number of two numbers. Okay. Greater, smaller of two numbers. That topic completed. Now new topic today, greatest or smallest. Greatest or smallest of three numbers. आपको 3 नंबर्स दिए हैं, उसमें से which one greatest number and which one smallest number. Okay, so now look at here. First example, 2, 5 and 7. Okay, so 2, 5, 7. So in this 2 is smaller than 5. Okay, and 5 is smaller than 7. Okay, 2 5 से लेस है, कम है, small है. Compare these two first. Okay, look at here. Compare these two number कंपेयर करना आपके लिए इजी है. ओके, पहले सीखे. तो लुक एट हियर. फर्स्ट कंपेयर टू नंबर्स 2 and 5. विच इज स्मॉलर? 2. ओके, देन कंपेयर दिस टू 5 and 7. सो विच इज स्मॉलर? 5. ओके, सो इन दिस 2 and 5, so which is smaller? 2. So 2 is the smallest of the three numbers. तीनों नंबर में सबसे smallest number 2 है. Which one? सबसे smallest number 2. तो 2 is the smallest of the three numbers. सबसे smallest number 2. Then compare both number and find out greatest number. Which one? Greatest number. So 2 and 5. Which one greatest number? 5. 2 and 5. Which one greatest number? 5. So 5 is greatest number. Okay. Then 5 and 7. Compare 5 and 7. Which one greatest number? 7. So 7. So in three numbers, 7 is greatest number. Okay. 7 is the greatest of the three numbers. सबसे greatest number कौन सा है? 7. Okay. Now another example. 30, 15, 20. In this also compare two numbers first, 30 and 15. So which one greatest number? 30 or 15? 30, 30, 15, 15. So which is the greatest? 30. 30, 30. Okay. Then 15 and 20. Which is the greater number? 20. Okay. Now 20 and 30. Which is the greatest? 30. So our greatest number is 30, 30. And you can see here tens place also. 3, 1, 2. So which is greatest? 3. So 30 is greatest number. Then compare which is the smaller number. So 30 and 50. Which is the smaller number? 15. Then 15 and 20 compare. Which is the smaller number? 15. So our smaller number is 15. So 15 is the smallest number of the three numbers. जब आपको 3 numbers दिए हैं उसमें greatest number यानी सबसे बड़ा number and smallest number means सबसे छोटा number. So 30 is greatest number, 15 is smallest number. Okay, now open your textbook, page number 70. 70. Page number 70, exercise 2.1. 5. Okay. Question number 1. What is in question number 1? Put a tick for the smallest number of chicks and a cross for the greatest number of chicks. Here given 3 chicks. Okay, picture of जो smallest number है, जहाँ पे सबसे कम नंबर है वहाँ पे टिक करना है और जो जहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा है वहाँ क्रॉस करना है. तो क्वेश्चन 1, look at here. Here how many chicks count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chicks. Okay, how many? 10. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chicks. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chicks. Okay. So where is the smallest number? 10, 7, 4. कौन सा स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है तीनों में? और यहाँ आप चिक्स देखोगे तो भी पता चलेगा कब कहाँ सबसे कम है. हियर. सो टिक द हियर. एंड वेयर इज द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर? कहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा है? हियर. तो क्रॉस हियर. ओके. देन क्वेश्चन 2. सर्कल द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. द फर्स्ट वन हैज बीन डन फॉर यू. सर्कल करना है स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है. एक आपको करके दिया है बुक में. सेकंड, विच नंबर? 12, 23 and 4. So in these 1, 2, 12, 2, 3, 23 and 4. तो which is the smallest number? Here 2 digit, 2 digit, here 1 digit. तो सबसे small कौन सा है? 4. तो circle this. Then which one? 33, 11 and 22. In this which is the smallest number? सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? Here 3, 1, 2. Which is the smallest number? 3, 1 or 2? सबसे smallest means 1. So circle this. Now question number 3. Circle the greatest number. The first one has been done for you. Okay. First is 16, 20 and 9. Which is the greatest number? सबसे बड़ा number. So 1, 2. Here 1 digit. Okay. So 1 and 2. Which is the greatest? 2. So 20 is greatest number. Okay. Then 49, 37 and 50. Okay. In this which is the greatest number? So first number C. Tens place. 4, 3, 5. Which is the greatest number? 4, 3, 5. 5. So this is greatest number. Okay. Now question number 4. Look at here. Read with me. 7 birds are sitting on a mango tree. 9 birds on a guava tree. And the 3 birds on an apple tree. Which tree has the greatest number of birds? Okay. 7 birds sitting in mango. 7 birds mango tree पे है. 9 birds guava. Then 3 birds apple. So which one? Greatest number? 7, 9 or 3? Which one greatest number? 9. Okay. So write down your answer. Which tree has the greatest number of birds? So guava tree has the greatest number of birds. Okay, guava tree has the greatest number of birds. How many? 9. Okay. Now question number 5. Write this answer in your textbook. Okay. Then question beach collecting seashells. Her mother collected 46 seashells. Her father collected 48 seashells. And Sita collected 50 seashells. Who collected the greatest number of seashells? सबसे ज्यादा किसने कलेक्ट किया? सीता ने कितने किए कलेक्ट? 50. Sita's mother 46 and her father 48. So सबसे ज्यादा कलेक्ट किसने किए? सीता. So write the answer. Sita collected the greatest number of seashells. Who collected the greatest number of seashells? Sita collected the greatest number of seashells. This is answer of question 5. Okay. Now understood this greatest number and smallest number. Okay. Goodbye, children.